am Parag Gupta, your moderator, your host for the day from the Green Club. Thank you everyone for joining in today for episode 2 of Quizzing. So we are doing quizzing with foodies of Vijayawada.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we have Pratyusha, we have Divya, and we have Sarvani with us today, right?
Sarvani, sorry.
Okay, Sarvani.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so we'll begin for the day. I'll just share the PPT.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's nice.
Thank you. So yeah, we are on episode 2, quizzing with the foodies. So I'll just take you through the basic rules. So these are general quiz with different rounds covering different topics. We'll explain if there's any change in the point system before any round. And if there's any issue, the moderator will decide the points, and no cheating is allowed in the form of any Google or any help from others. So guys, please be fair. We'll have a fair quiz.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So basically, any question, direct question will have 20 points. Past question will have 10 points. There's no negative points for the wrong answer.
Okay.
And now for me, Pratyusha is on number 1, Divya is on number 2, and Sarvani is on number 3. So we'll do in the same order. Yes. So the first round is about food.
Okay.
So the first question goes to Pratyusha.
Okay.
What type of pasta has a name meaning little worms?
Any help, someone? Okay. My guess is penne pasta.
Okay, it's wrong. Now pass on to Divya.
Is it spaghetti?
Wrong.
Spaghetti, yeah.
That's not small. That's what I thought at the first.
Pass on to Sarvani. Different types of pastas. Like, what are the different types of pastas
Spaghetti,
available?
penne, macaroni.
No. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Pratyusha, do you
I
want to
know
give
only
it?
these 3.
Oh, okay. So I'm just revealing the answer then. It's vermicelli.
Oh shit. Yeah, it's similar to spaghetti, but it's probably.
Yeah. Okay. Now next direct question goes to Divya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Zomato recently did a poll on all its social media platforms. If 2020 was a dish, what would it be? So what was the most common answer to it?
2020 was dish. It's Corona, right? So mushroom, Manchuria.
No, wrong. Pass on to Sarvani.
Pizza.
Wrong. Pass on to Pratyusha.
Okay. So is it an Indian dish or a Western type of dish?
Can
At
be
least we can
anything.
know that.
I think Divya was close.
A small
I
thing.
can only say Divya was close.
Okay. Noodles?
No.
Dragon Balls?
No.
Yeah.
It's the bad soup.
I thought something bad, but not that soup.
Yeah. So that was the most common answer given by the people.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
third question directly goes to Sarvani.
Yes.
What is the most expensive spice by weight?
Pepper.
Wrong. Goes on to Pratyusha.
Okay. Turmeric? Because that is a heavy.
No, as in the most expensive. Like by grams, it's usually sold in grams and all.
Okay.
That is the reason it's the most expensive. Okay, I'll pass on to Divya now.
I have no idea, but I think cinnamon.
No. I thought this was easy. The answer is the saffron, kesar.
Oh shit, that's not a spice, like it's a flavor
Yeah, that's
type
not
of.
spicy flavor added.
Like it's considered a spice as well.
Okay.
Yes.
I don't know about that.
Divya, there's someone helping you, is it? I can see someone just tried to
No.
pop in on the screen.
If you want, I so my mom is coming to see what's going on the screen. I'm pushing her. No, don't come.
Okay, now next direct question back to Pratyusha.
Okay.
One of the top fast food chains opened its first ever store 7 years before India got its independence. Name the chain.
Haldiram? Maybe?
Haldiram is, I don't think it's a
That's-
fast food chain.
That's about fast food, yeah.
Okay, I'll pass on to Divya now.
Okay.
I think KFC or Vicky, but I go with KFC.
Okay, KFC is the wrong answer. Very good try, very good attempt. Last pass on to Sarvani.
Domino's.
And the Domino's, it is the wrong answer as well. The right answer is
Okay, I
McDonald's.
like to take.
Oh my god.
Divya was
Oh.
close.
Yeah.
Okay, now next direct question to Divya. Hope you break the chain of 0 points so far.
God, we are horrible.
Okay, the next question directly goes to Divya.
Yeah.
Name the vegetarian fast food in Maharashtra with the literal meaning potato fritters.
Is it that potato spirals?
No, name the dish. Like for example, pani puri is a dish. So in that way,
Okay.
name the dish.
Then French fries?
No, it's a fast food in Maharashtra. Okay, pass on to Sarvani.
Don't know, not getting any idea.
Okay, pass on to Pratyusha.
The only thing I have on my mind is aloo tikki. If that's wrong, I don't know.
Okay, at least you had a guess, but no, the right answer is batata vada.
Oh,
That's the same vada which they put in between the pav for vada pav.
okay.
Okay, we'll go on to the next question. Direct question to Sarvani. That's the last question of this round.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my god.
This is a specialty of the state of Karnataka, and the popular chain MTR claims to have invented it during World War II. So back then, rice was in short supply, and they experimented in making this dish using semolina. So identify the dish.
Okay, they make something using semolina.
Yes, it's actually made
And
of
I have
rice.
identified the dish.
It's actually made of
Actually.
rice, but they experimented it and made it using semolina.
Something chips like.
It's not chips. Okay, I'll just pass on to Pratyusha.
Okay, so I think my mom makes payasam with rice and with semolina as well. So I think it's that.
Good attempt, but that's not the answer too. Pass on to Divya.
Even I thought it's vermicelli.
So some other guess now. It's a staple dish in Andhra, in Vijayawada, I would say.
Oh,
Simple.
upma.
Yeah, upma, idli, vada, dosa. These are only staples.
So the answer is Rava Idli.
Rava.
Oh my god.
Okay.
That's
These
so
made with
easy.
rice. Okay, yeah, right.
Yeah.
They
So-
mix the half the quantity like in proportions.
Yes. So that's the end of round 1, and the scores are
Accept
exciting.
your
Everyone's at position 1. Very good competition. Everyone's at the same level. Okay, now we'll move on to round 2. So since you have completed the food, now it's towards the travel. So here you'll
Okay.
have to identify the Indian state with the hints given. Okay, starting the round 2, the first question goes to Pratyusha. Identify the Indian state where these dishes are very famous.
Okay.
Bhutte ka khees, malpua and biryani pilaf.
What is bhutte ka kees?
It's something made out of corn. Bhutte is corn.
Can I search the picture and see?
No.
Like, I don't even know what it is. How
No.
am I supposed to say?
Try it from
Yeah.
other two also, no? Malpua, biryani pilaf.
Pilaf is what? Like some aloo type of dish, or what is pilaf?
The quiz is for you, not for us. It's like
Okay, biryani pilaf is biryani made with rice and meat.
Rice and
Meat.
meat. Okay. Blind guess, maybe Bengal, West Bengal.
West Bengal is the wrong answer. Pass on to Divya.
nine guess. I in Gujarat.
Gujarat and meat. Oh my god, they are antonyms.
Yeah.
It's the wrong answer too. Pass on to Sarvani.
Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Good guess. Now let's see what's the answer. That is the right answer. You got the first
Yeah.
one right.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Open the account.
Yeah.
Just a random guess.
10 points goes to Sarvani. So now direct question goes to Divya. Name the state where these three dishes are popular. Chow chow bath, curry gasi, and neer dosa.
Oh my god, I have two things in my mind, so which one I have to tell? I think Karnataka.
And that's the right answer. The
Oh my
first
God.
time, the very first time you got it right. So Divya gets 20 points for this.
So recently in Hyderabad, they have opened a store. I don't remember the name. That chow chow bath is very famous, and they told me it's from Bangalore.
Oh, so you got a reference from there.
Yes.
Nice. So you finally got it. So we'll move on to the
Yeah.
third question, a direct question to Sarvani.
Yes.
Name the state where three dishes are popular. Sabudana ki khichdi, farah and bafauri.
Kerala?
Kerala is the wrong answer.
Me.
Pass this on to Pratyusha. Yes. Coming to you.
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra is wrong again.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
But I saw that in Maharashtra special thali.
It may be in Maharashtra special thali, but it's not originated from Maharashtra.
Okay. Then how do we know, yeah?
Okay, now pass on to Divya.
Is it Rajasthan?
Rajasthan is wrong too. The correct answer is
Okay.
Chhattisgarh.
Okay.
Oh.
So it sounds like Hindi terms of name. So I was
Yeah.
thinking about the.
And at the end of round 2, the scores are on the first it's Divya with 20 points. Next it's Sarvani with 10 points, and Pratyusha
Yeah.
is yet to open her account.
Yes.
We'll move on to round 3. Round 3 is about the movies.
Wow.
Okay.
So
I hope
here,
I at least win this.
So here I'll be showing a minimalist poster of movie. You'll have to identify the movie
Okay.
using the poster.
Okay.
We have to
Okay,
guess.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So there's a twist in this round. You can also be a gambler. When a direct question comes to you, you can say, no, I'll gamble on this. So if you get right, you'll get 40 points. But if you're wrong, it's a minus 20.
Okay. So if you are confident, you can gamble.
Yes. You'll have to gamble before the question. You can't see the question and then gamble.
Oh,
Yes.
that's okay.
That's the catch.
Points to even gamble and have a blind guess.
Yeah. So if you give a wrong guess, it's minus 20. When you
Okay.
gamble. So the first question goes to Pratyusha. So Pratyusha, do you want to gamble in the first question?
No, I just want to see how it goes. Then I'll gamble in the next one.
Okay. Here's the first one.
Yeah. Okay, I think it's Robo 2.0.
Robo 2.0, yeah, very relatable guess, but the wrong one. Pass on to Divya.
I was thinking the same thing and I'm not even thinking about any other guesses. Okay. No, nothing. No answer.
Some guess. There's no negative points, right? You didn't gamble.
No idea.
Pass on to Sarvani.
Dictative or dictate somewhere.
What?
Dictative.
No. Okay, I'll reveal the answer. The answer is Wednesday in Hindi or Eenadu in Telugu.
Okay. Yeah, it's
Okay,
nice.
Now, next
Yeah.
direct question
Yeah,
goes
yeah,
to Divya.
Oh,
I think Pratyusha is ready with her answer.
Yeah.
so what guess from that?
You'll have to guess the movie name. It's a minimalist poster.
We have many movies with points, no? So what kind of a movie are you expecting? I will not get.
So, what can you see in the poster, like related to that?
Oh, Shivamani.
Shivamani is the wrong answer. Pass on to
Okay.
Sarvani.
Singham.
Singham, yeah, it's all about police, but the answer is wrong. Pass on to Pratyusha.
Okay, Temper. Temper
Temper.
or Simba?
Yeah.
No, the
Maybe
answer.
it's-
See, there is a speaker wherein the police word is said in a style. Police.
Hmm.
So that's a Mahesh Babu movie, and it is Dukudu.
Dukudu. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Now, third question directly goes to Sarvani.
Yeah. Oh.
This is easy.
Easy.
See, Pratyusha already has the answer.
I always has answered just
Yeah.
the wrong ones.
Bahubali.
Oh, yeah, you got the right answer. It's
wow.
Bahubali. 20
Really?
points to
This
Sarvani.
is easy.
Okay, now next direct question to Pratyusha.
Wait, I want to gamble.
Okay, so
Okay.
Pratyusha is gambling for this. So it's plus 40 or minus 20. And you got an easy one while you gamble.
This Rajnikant one movie that name
Yeah.
name is
Not getting this.
Shivaji.
Oh, you got the right one. Directly, Pratyusha gets 40 points.
Yes.
Wow.
So from the last, she comes on the top.
Yay. Yeah.
Now,
I'm
next
bad.
direct question to Divya. Divya, do you want to gamble?
No, I don't want.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
You're giving me a narrow question, so I can't go blindly.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
See again. Oh my god.
This is an easy one.
No, it's not that easy. That too in year.
So something related to that, something related to year.
Kaidi number 150 or Mahachi. Something related to farming and agriculture.
Yeah, something is related to farming and agriculture. But okay, you gave the two attempts and both were wrong. And now I have to pass on to Sarvani.
Simhadri.
Simhadri is wrong answer too. Pass on to Pratyusha.
A little bit hint. Nobody is able to understand what is it.
The only
Can
hint
you
is
tell
like
the
it's
hero?
related. See, it's year. Year is given in the minimalist poster. So what can be related to year?
Okay. Bandobast.
I haven't watched the movie though, but it's the wrong answer. I'll pass on again to Divya, but I'll give only 10 points if you give it right.
Okay, I think Rangastalam.
Rangasthalam is the right answer.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
Oh
Rangasthalam,
my god.
the hero is half deaf.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this was an easy one in that way.
After listening the answer, it's easy only, but before that
Yeah.
one, it's a bit tough.
The
See the
question-
Bahubali, how to picturize, it's really nice and easy to answer.
Oh. Okay, now the last question, direct question goes to Sarvani. Sarvani, do you want to give a gamble here?
No.
Last question, it will be easy. Come on, go for a gamble.
Is that really easy?
Oh, that depends on you then. It's easy for me.
No, you have to tell. Yeah, okay.
You want to gamble?
Gamble. Yeah.
That's the spirit. Sarvani is gambling for the last question. Come on, the last question is here. Okay, it's not a Tollywood movie. It's a Bollywood movie. Come on, since you gambled, I'm giving you hints. What's there in the picture? What can you see in the picture?
Hat.
Okay. What
Goggles.
else? Goggles. What else?
What's that?
Box, like bag. Bag?
It's a Bollywood movie.
Don't know.
That's a bag. There's a goggles. There's a hat. It's a multi-starrer movie. There are so many stars in the movie. Any guess?
Bollywood.
Anyhow, if you don't guess, also I'll have to give you minus 20.
Yeah.
Any
I don't
that you
even-
watched, any.
Sanjay Dutt.
Okay, we'll pass on. We'll pass on to Pratyusha.
Okay, DDLJ, only that much. I'm not getting.
DDLJ is the wrong answer as well. And in DDLJ, I think there are only two, Kajal and Shah Rukh.
Yeah, but okay.
Okay, now pass on to Divya.
Some cowboy style of movie, right? Cowboy style.
Why will a cowboy have a bag?
I'm guessing. Yeah. Mohabbat.
Mohabbat as in Mohabbatein? Mohabbat?
Yeah. Mohabbat. Yeah.
No, Mohabbatein is the wrong answer as well. The answer is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. If you remember this Bagwati by Farhan Akhtar. So by the end of this round, we have the scores as so. Pratyusha is leading with 40 points thanks to her gamble. Next we have Divya with 30 points. And third we have Sarvani with 10 points. We'll move on to the next round. Round 4.
I don't know. My point has to gamble.
She was on 30, so she came back to 10.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit.
Yes.
Yes, one.
So this is randoms.
Okay.
So everyone will get a chance to answer the question. I'll not reveal the answer till all three of you have answered. The closest one gets 20 points. The second closest one gets 10 points. And the third closest one only gets a chance to give out the lemon tears.
Okay.
Okay? Let's go.
Yes.
The
Yeah.
first question. So what's the bill amount if you have a full plate of chole bhature and one sweet lassi at Sitaram Diwan Chand, a famous restaurant in Paharganj, New Delhi? You will have to give me
This
the bill
is
amount.
like too much.
Yeah, you'll have to give the random numbers, like what can you think of. So I'll take
Okay.
one answer each from three of you. The nearest one gets
Okay.
the points in that one.
200.
Okay, Pratyusha has given 200. Next,
I think 80 rupees.
80
Oh.
rupees given by Divya. Sarvani, your guess?
I think that's 60. 60.
60
Wow.
rupees for a combined of chole bhature and one sweet lassi. That's a great gamble. Okay, so it's 60, 80 and 200. I got these three guesses from
Yeah.
you. And the right answer
Yeah.
is 160.
Oh.
So the closest
Okay.
is Pratyusha, who gets 200.
Yeah.
So Pratyusha gets 20 points. Then it's Divya because she guessed 80. So she got 10 points.
Okay.
Yeah. Someone just tell me, where do you get a plate of chole bhature and a sweet lassi for 60?
I think there's a street food place. So
Oh, a plate of chole bhature there is $100 and sweet lassi is 60.
okay.
Combined is
Okay.
160. Yes. So the next
Yeah.
one.
Okay.
What's the bill amount if you have a pizza dosa and a Shezwan paneer dosa at Ram Ki Bandi, a famous place in Nampally, Hyderabad? I think Divya will be the
you
first
get
one
it.
to guess it. Yeah, I feel so.
I visited but I didn't pay the bill there. My friend paid, so I So I think it's 120.
Just read the question again. There are two dosas, okay? I'm just giving a clarity.
Yeah.
So 120 given by Divya.
In Ram Ki Bandi, right?
I think it's 250, 260.
Give one number.
Okay, 250.
250 given by Pratyusha. Sarvani,
I think 80.
80.
Oh my
What did you say,
god, they
Divya?
got
120,
so
right?
greedy.
Yeah, 120.
80, 120 and 250.
Yes.
And the right answer is 230 bucks. So
Oh,
again, Pratyusha gets 20 points. Divya gets 10,
again.
which is really disappointing.
See, since I eat so much, I know all this. I can't guess it, but I know the prices.
And I have no idea why Sarvani is guessing so less amount for all these foods.
That's Ram Ke Bandi is a street food, right?
But it is a street food,
I mean-
but its prices are not as such as street food prices.
Yeah, I hear that name, but I don't know that prices are high.
It's very
That
high,
much.
so is the price.
I calculated as for 40 and 40, so I said 80.
Oh my god, pizza dosa and a Shezwan paneer dosa was 40 bucks. Even in Vijayawada, that costs around 200 if you go to
Yeah, right.
Oh,
Yes. So the next one in this,
Give me the exact prices once. Let me see how much.
this is 130 and 100. The last one.
Okay.
Pizza dosa is
Okay.
130 and Szechuan paneer dosa is 100.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So how many calories does a bowl of rice and a bowl of sugar combined have?
190.
Pratyusha gives 190 calories.
I think 250.
250 given by Divya.
Okay, let's make 300.
300. Okay. There's an auction going on here. This time Sarvani has played really safe by going on the highest number. And
Highest number.
yeah.
Yeah.
And the right answer is 979 calories. The bowl of
Oh my
sugar
God,
itself has
okay.
around 700 calories.
God.
Okay.
Oh my
Yes.
God.
So here this time Sarvani has scored 20 points with the nearest answer of 300 calories.
Very good answer.
Yeah. And Divya gets 10 points for the second nearest. And
Mine is too close.
what?
Mine is very close answer.
Yeah, 250, right? Yeah, we have ended that round. So at the end of round 4, the points are as follows. Pratyusha is leading at 80 points.
Wow.
Yeah. So Divya is at 30, 40, 50, 60, second,
Okay.
and Sarvani is at 30.
Okay.
You can
Okay.
still catch up, Sarvani. You can still catch up. There's a lot more. There are
Yes,
2 more
yes,
rounds.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the next round is roast. This is something different.
Yeah, you're gonna roast us.
So since you three know about each other very well, I think this will be easier for you and fun for me. So this is how it goes. Each participant roasts the person next to him or next to her. And it goes one
Okay.
round in the clockwise and one round in the anti-clockwise. First, Pratyusha will
I
roast
have
Divya.
to roast
Divya will roast Sarvani.
Yeah.
Sarvani will roast Pratyusha.
Pratyusha. Yeah.
And then in the reverse order. Pratyusha will
So
roast
roast
Sarvani.
Okay.
on which kind of topic or personally?
It can be anything.
Asking any questions.
You'll have to roast the other person. That's it.
Can you give an example?
We can
Because
ask-
I don't
we
know
can
how
ask
to do
anything.
that.
An example that Ranveer Singh wears such clothes that even Deepika Padukone is confused whose cloth is that.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
in that way,
yeah,
you'll
yeah.
have to roast each other.
Okay.
Yes. So only 10 seconds are given to think. You'll just have to give in one comment. Each comment gets 20 points.
Okay.
So Pratyusha, first you are done. Roast Divya.
Okay. Divya has such bad taste in t-shirts that she's wearing a panda on her t-shirt.
Oh. Is that a panda on t-shirt?
Panda or
Oh, yeah. Yes,
teddy
yes,
bear
yes.
or something. Yeah.
Kind of.
Okay. Yes. So there's one that's gone to Pratyusha. Next, Divya. Now you'll have to roast Sarvani.
Yeah. Sarvani tried to catch an ice cream but ended up couldn't. In that twisting tones, something ice cream parlor.
Oh. Is it
That
Sarvani?
video became famous, but she couldn't end up catching ice cream.
Okay, Sarvani, roast Pratyusha.
Yeah. It's my turn.
Sarvani, this time's up. I can't give you more time. We'll move on.
Not getting anything. Yeah.
Okay, now Pratyusha, roast Sarvani.
Okay, Sarvani. Sarvani is so bad at sense of humor that she can't even roast me.
Oh my god, that's an immediate roasting on the roast.
I don't find anything else, so that's it.
Okay, I'll give you the points for that.
Sorry, Paddu.
Yeah.
I hope this quiz does not break,
No.
not bring any changes in your all relations.
Paddu is my
no,
Sarvani
no.
is my long lost friend.
Oh my god.
All right.
I'm feel bad that I'm meeting them first time in this call.
Yeah, Sarvani, now it's time to roast Divya.
Divya, okay. She's wearing a panda shirt, but she's looking like a monkey.
Oh my god.
Everybody is on my shirt
Yeah,
only.
Divya is like,
Sorry,
next time I will
Divya.
not wear this t-shirt next time.
I didn't find anything else to roast her. That's the only.
No problem.
Okay, that's the end of this round. So at the end of round 5, we have Pratyusha at 120. We have
Oh,
Divya
okay.
just behind at 110 points. And we
Oh.
have Savani at 50 points. Savani, you can still win this. I am a
Yeah.
good moderator. I'll give you a chance again at the round 6. So this is the last round. Okay? So this is how it is. Every question, there are only 2 participants are given the chance to answer. The one who is
Okay.
at the last position chooses whom the question passes on to.
Okay.
Okay? There's no passing without an answer. The correct answer gives you 30 points and wrong answer gives -10. So the first question, direct question to Pratyusha.
Okay.
Give 3 names of Pani Puri.
Okay. Golgappa, Puchka, Gupchup.
Okay, that's right. So you get 30 points, Pratyusha.
Yes.
That was an easy one to start with, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Now next direct question to Divya.
Yeah.
Chicken tikka masala was invented in which country?
India.
India is the wrong answer. So that's -10 to Divya. Sarvani, whom do you want me to pass this question to?
Pratyusha?
You want this to pass on to Pratyusha because Sarvani does not know the answer? Pratyusha, come
I
on
want to
now.
answer.
Can I guess?
No, if you guess, then if it's wrong, I'll give -10.
I pass on to Pratyusha.
Pratyusha,
I don't want to answer. Like I
No.
want to pass again.
there's no passing in this. And the one in the last is Sarvani, so she has the power.
Okay, Pakistan.
Pakistan
Oh.
is the wrong answer as well. The answer is
Afghanistan.
Scotland.
Oh, not even Afghanistan.
So Pratyusha gets -10 as well. So Pratyusha and Divya have got -10 each. Sarvani, you are leading good then.
Oh,
Not
shit.
that way.
Now third direct question to Sarvani.
Yeah.
As we talk, what are the total number of followers on Instagram combined for foodie.traveler, Pier21 and hometown.flavors? So that's the 3
Oh,
insights of you 3.
Yeah. I
Yes.
have to give exact number.
No, plus or minus 10 will work.
That's not fair. You have to like a plus or minus 50.
Yeah, why not 100?
Not that much. Okay. So 4,100.
4,000?
600. 4600.
4600 is the wrong answer.
Wrong answer.
-30 to Sarvani. Whom do you want
Okay,
me to
can I
pass on
guess?
this?
Oh, okay, pass kada.
Sarvani, whom do you want me to pass this on to? Divya or Pratyusha?
Divya.
To Divya. Okay, Divya. A golden opportunity to get 30 points.
No, it's best to get -10. Somewhere around 3,000.
The
Like
answer is
3,020.
5590 is the right answer. So I could have
I was
accepted
going to
it.
say 6,000.
Oh, but still it would be wrong then. 5580 to 5600.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So -10 to Sarvani and -10 to Divya.
Yeah.
Now next direct question to Pratyusha.
Okay.
Recently, a private jet was hired to fly 6 pets which was stranded in Delhi. So what was the cost of the jet and which city were the pets being flown to?
Okay. 2 questions and 1 question. I think it's 40,000 for the jet, and
Okay.
the city will be maybe Mumbai.
Okay, I'll give you half of the points because Mumbai is right. So that's plus
Oh.
15. Yes.
Okay. Okay, 50,000. Please. It's
Do you want me to give a
this
negative-
is a hard
do you want me
one.
to give a negative number? Do you want me to give a
40,
negative
50.
points?
No.
I'm giving you 15 points. And
Okay,
Sarvani,
Mumbai.
whom do you want me to pass on for the next half of the question? What is the cost of the jet? Do you want to answer or do you want me to pass it on to Divya?
Yeah, I want to answer.
You want to answer?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go ahead.
60 to 70,000.
That's wrong answer. You get minus 10. The correct answer is 9 lakhs and it's Mumbai.
Oh my
Oh
god.
God.
Yes. Yeah, okay. Now let's move on to question number 5. A direct question to Divya. Yes. Name the account with the highest number of Instagram followers in the world.
So is it a personal account or some person's account?
The only hint I can give you is it's not a single individual.
Okay. So even Instagram has a separate account, so I go with Instagram.
You mean the Instagram account of Instagram?
Yes, yes. The Instagram
Are you sure on this?
account. I'm not very sure. I don't remember the number or something with Instagram account, but I know it has an account.
Okay, so we'll go with the Instagram, and that's the right answer. Instagram has got 340 million followers. That is the highest number. So Divya gets 30 points for this direct answer. Now we'll go on to the next question. Next direct question to Sarvani. Name the
Yeah,
state
yeah.
where hens laid eggs with green color yolks. This was recently trending in the news. It was all over the news.
Green.
No, I don't know.
Just think some state which is more related to green in color. That's a very big hint, I would say.
Okay, pass on to Pratyusha.
You really want to pass this
Okay.
on to Pratyusha?
Okay, pass on to Pratyusha.
Okay, so it
Okay.
passes on to Pratyusha.
So I recently read about this in news articles. So I think it's Kerala. Is it Kerala?
Are you sure on the Kerala part?
Yes, it's Kerala, I think.
Okay, we'll go with and Kerala is the right answer. You got it right.
Thank
So
you.
Pratyusha gets 30 on this and Sarvani gets minus 10 on this.
Okay.
Very, you could have attempted this one. Now we are moving on to the last question of the quiz. This is
Okay.
a buzzer question.
Okay.
So buzzer is using the reactions. So there is a reaction button in the bottom. So you can use that reaction button just for the buzzer.
Okay.
You can try once for the buzzer if it's working.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got 1, 2. Sarvani, yes. You'll have to be quick on this.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Now whoever answers this right, the first one gets 50 points. And for the wrong answer, it's minus 25. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So just be quick on this. It's the last question of the quiz. It's a high scoring question. And the buzzer question goes here. Name the best comedy club in Vijayawada.
The Green Club.
Oh, it's the first. Pratyusha gave the first. Again, Divya was just a minute second back. And yeah, obviously, Pratyusha gave the right answer, the Green Club. 50 points given to Pratyusha. So now that's the end of the quiz. Thank you everyone for coming in. It was great.
Thank
Can you guess who is the winner? What are the points today?
Yeah, there's a huge difference
I think
and nothing to
Pratyusha.
count the point.
There's a huge difference, yes, because of the buzzer question.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, yeah, so the points are here. Pratyusha is at 235. She wins today's quiz. Followed by Divya, who is around 100 points behind. And Sarvani is another 100 points behind.
Congrats, Pratyusha.
Thank you.
Pratyusha is throwing a party post the lockdown.
So, there
Yeah,
are
sure.
Yes.
Sure.
Sure.
You have to give us some stage space also.
Some? I didn't get you.
Stage space.
Stage space to
Yeah,
talk
surely. Do you want to perform? Like we have open mic. Do you want to perform?
We will perform definitely.
Okay,
Hey.
done.
Keep me out of this. I'm not that.